Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options and USB debugging so your computer can talk to the device. Once done, install ADB platform tools and connect the Realme. Run a DB devices to confirm the bridge is active. You also need a notification replacement app ready. That app must be able to accept elevated permission to change the notification drawer. This preparation matters because without USB debugging and ADB, you cannot grant the system-level setting required to replace the drawer. Now you grant the app the system permission that actually changes the drawer. With the device authorized, run a DB shell PM grant your app, package Android, permission, write secure settings. This single command lets the app modify the secure settings that control the notification panel. After that, go into Settings and enable notification access and draw over other apps for the replacement app so it can display and intercept the shade. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. Without notification access, the custom drawer cannot show notification. Finish by opening the replacement app and applying the custom notification drawer. Select Layout, QS Tiles, and Behavior, then activate. Once applied, reboot the phone so the secure setting and overlay initialize cleanly and the system loads the new drawer. If the drawer does not appear, make sure USB debugging is still enabled, then rerun the DB grant command and re-enable notification access. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall the app. Reapply permissions and reboot again. This usually clears permission or startup conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.